So guys, in this video, this is basically a vlog video that I did. It's been a while. I haven't been having like enough time to edit and stuff. And I'm so sad because I wanted to start like a year on a good note. I wanted to be consistent, but I hope this is for the last time. So yeah, basically in this vlog is a vlog where I had visited my family, spending time with my family, yeah, running and all those things. Yeah, I think you'll see on the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. So I've been chilling with my bros friends because I don't have any friends here. So yeah, we're still enjoying the vlog and yeah, I don't know what else you see on the vlog because I don't have any plans at all. But just see when time goes. I just see when time goes. Yeah. I don't know if you can hear me because it's very windy here, so yeah, hope you're still enjoying. So yeah, now I'm on my way back to home. Yeah, I had just arrived home, not so far, but now we're about to go fetch food. yeah, about good fresh food, and I'm hungry as fuck, but I couldn't say it. So yeah, now we're about to fetch food. So yeah, hope you enjoy. There's no shitting here, so I can't record anything from now on. Or maybe when the light is back, I will record something. So see you tomorrow. Good morning, guys. So I decided to get back to running. So yeah, it's very cold. Yo. This is what I hate about waking up in the morning. So yeah, guys, I'll just see you. Yeah, after this, I guess.